A few years ago, making money online usually meant learning complicated skills, building websites from scratch, or spending months figuring everything out. Now, things are changing. People are using AI tools like Claude AI to write content, build projects, automate work, and even create online businesses much faster than before. And surprisingly, some of the people using these tools aren't experts at all. So, what exactly is Claude AI, and why are so many people paying attention to it? In this video, we will break down what Claude AI actually is, how people are using it, and the different ways it can help create income opportunities in 2026. Claude AI is an advanced artificial intelligence assistant created by Anthropic, a company focused on building safe and reliable artificial intelligence systems. It helps users write content, generate code, automate tasks, analyze data, build projects, and improve productivity. Today, freelancers, businesses, developers, and marketers are using Claude AI to save time and increase profits. Businesses today are constantly looking for ways to work faster and save time. They need content, customer support, marketing systems, websites, and smarter ways to handle everyday tasks. That's where AI tools are starting to change things. If you learn how to use Claude AI properly, you're not just learning another tool, you're learning a skill that can turn into freelance work, online services, digital products, or even an entire business of your own. Content is everywhere. Businesses need blog articles, creators need video scripts, brands need product descriptions, and social media constantly demands fresh content. Claude AI can help speed up much of that process. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, organize content, create drafts, and make the overall workflow much faster. And those skills can turn into real services like copywriting, content marketing, or social media management that businesses and creators are willing to pay for. Building websites can also become much easier with AI. Claude AI can help generate code, fix bugs, improve layouts, and assist with building websites from the ground up. That means websites for startups, local businesses, restaurants, online stores, and many other clients. Instead of staring at a blank screen, AI can help speed up the process and make development much easier. Businesses spend a lot of time on repetitive work, replying to customers, sending emails, organizing information, creating reports, and handling routine tasks. Claude AI can help simplify many of these processes, and people who understand how to connect and organize these systems can offer automation services and charge ongoing monthly fees. Another opportunity is building products around AI itself. Claude AI can help generate ideas, write code, create chatbot systems, and assist with building useful tools. Things like productivity apps, business tools, AI assistants, or subscription-based services. Sometimes, the biggest opportunities don't come from using AI alone. They come from building something people actually want to use. A lot of creators don't rely on just one AI tool. Many combine Claude AI with tools like ChatGPT, Replit, Vercel, Canva AI, and Firebase. When these tools work together, they can help create content, build websites, organize projects, and speed up business workflows much more efficiently. AI is still evolving, and we're still early in this shift. The people learning these tools now are also learning skills that may become increasingly valuable over time. You don't need to master everything at once. Start with one skill. Practice consistently, build small projects, and slowly turn knowledge into something useful.